Hello, beautiful people on YouTube. Today we are playing. Well, actually, first, welcome to my channel. It's Xavier the Hog here, aka Xavier. Please subscribe and like before we get into this. Actually, no, you should probably subscribe and like after. If not, just dislike if you don't like it. But if you do like it, then like it and then subscribe. So for some amazing content. So we're playing Sons of Singularity. So I already started this game, so that's okay. But let me see. Let me know if you want more of this on the channel because this game's fun. No, I always do that. What the heck? I need to see my door shut. These are the ones that are working. Yeah, it is. Okay, so let's see what we could get. Sorry, I have a cold. This looks so gross. What is that? It's tissue. I don't like the way that looks. About that, I bet. No, I don't want that. Okay, I'm trying to get the flatworm because that is awesome. The flatworm is the coolest looking. I don't know, it just looks cool. I want to get humans. Oh wait, look at our planet's actually getting better. There's clouds. Whoa! Wait a minute. When did that get there? That's awesome. Wow. Okay, that's epic. I'm just gonna tap and get all these. That is epic. So right now I currently I'm trying to I have 70,000 of, I forget what they're called. Perfect. Let's see what we can get. Okay, I'm gonna save up. Well, I have 80,000. Let's see what this is. Organisms that can be divided into identical pieces around a central point. This form of symmetry is more complex than bilateral symmetry. Okay. Wait, did you guys see that? That one was like really small. That's so weird. Why is it doing that? I knew that phone was gonna fall. This is impossible. I can't keep the phone up. Huh. There we go. Actually, you know what I could do? There we go. Alright, I'm almost at 200,000 as you can see. So, yay. That's epic. this is taking so long. Alright, I'm gonna take a few laps up and down the stairs. Oh god, I just realized how bad I'm gonna cough after this. Let me get it out. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna take a few laps up and down. This will take up some time for 200,000. This is a good workout. I feel like I'm forgetting stuff. And I'm just running back up, and then I'm like, oh wait, I already have. So I run back down, and I'm like, oh, I already have. You don't know how much my legs are hurting. Alright, 3 more. I'll just get this done. Alright, 2 more. 1 more after this, Xavier. Come on. Come on. I've got this. There. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You don't know how kind of big those staircases are. They didn't look big on camera, but they're kind of big in real life. They're bigger than that. Oh my god. Oh, I need a rest. Alright. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's insane. Oh my gosh. I'm trying not to cough, you know. Oh. Ow. Okay, I feel better. Let's get back. Come on. Business. I can get it. I got it. Oh. The eyes. So now that I got that, I think that's the end of the video because I'm literally like dying right now. I'm literally dying of my cold right now. Not like actually dying, but you know what I mean. So, peace. I'll see you in the next video. Oh my god.